Welcome to Beehive Evolution. Today I want to talk to you about the concept of a body hive. As you see in this on this hive, I have a hole right in the bottom there, and this is where I'm going to be transferring my bees from the body hive to the main hives. Okay, this one does have Lansdorf, so it's not actually this hive that I'm transferring to, but another hive similar, the Chandler hive, if you look at the other videos, and on another site. So now I'll show you exactly what is the body hive. Alright, so this is what I call my body hive, similar to a satellite nuke that I showed you on previous videos. It's a whole 10 frame deep Lansdorf box. So then I carry 10 frames, the whole brood, in one shot from one place to the other to transfer them to another hive. So I got my control gate in the pipe on one side, which will fit in the end on this hive, and there is also my support leg or brace to support the hive once it's attached to it under the hive. And I also have on there 2 vents and transport that they have lots of air, they don't suffocate with screens. And I also have a feeder that comes with it so that I may feed them if they're stressed out at first and they're confused, so they'll have something to eat anyways. So there you go. If you like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless.